Hey guys, it's Kensy. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an 11 Pro Max unboxing, but I'm currently filming on it, so hopefully I can show you guys the actual phone a little bit, but I will also be filming a what's on my iPhone 11 Pro Max here in a couple months or so. So actually in about a month. So anyways, this video is my iPhone 11 Pro unboxing. If you're new, hi, I'm Kensy. I do lots of DIYs and videos, lifestyle videos, vlogs every week on this channel. So if you like that kind of thing, make sure you go down below and hit that subscribe button. And while you're down there, you should go ahead and turn on post notifications so that you can get notified when I upload, and give this video a thumbs up if you're ready for the Christmas season, because it is it'll be the 15th when you guys are watching this, if you watch it the day I upload. And yeah, it's almost Christmas, 10 days. That's crazy. And I don't have any Christmas shopping done. But anyways, yeah. So let's just hop right into this video. So I got the gold 11 Pro Max. It's matte gold. And when you first open the box, you know, there's nothing in the top. So, just this is where the phone would be. But I'm filming on it right now. So in this is just the introduction, and then the Apple stickers. It tells you what's new about the phone, gives you a SIM card installer button thing, and just tells you the basic things about the iPhone. So they also give you some headphones, and these are the kinds that plug into the power can't think of what this is called, but it goes in where you would plug your phone into charge. But the new thing about this phone is the charger and the camera. So the camera is great, so much better than my old phone. If I was filming this on my old phone and I had you this close to me, it would look like this. But since it's got the wide angles, it's really nice. I've already been using it, so sorry I can't get these just shot, whatever. But they also have a new charger. It's supposed to charge your phone faster, but honestly this phone charges so fast already. But basically, you know, every couple years Apple has to change something so that you can't reuse it on everything. The newer phones don't have the headphone jack and stuff like that. So anyways, it's just a bigger block and it's pretty heavy, and the cord is also different. It's got the same end that plugs into your phone, but the other end is very small so that it'll plug into the outlet right here. So I haven't used this yet because my phone, it has been charging so fast already, not even using this charger. So yeah, that's everything in here. And I'm just gonna say a couple things that I've noticed about the iPhone X. Okay, so first of all, the only really big difference that I've seen between the 11 and the X, the 11 Pro Max and the X, is the camera. So basically you can go, this is what a normal camera would look like, but then you can zoom out. Sorry, I'm looking in a reflection. So yeah, you can get this angle and you can literally see my entire room behind me, everything. So that's a really nice feature, is the such a wide angle. So, but you can also zoom in, which, you know, my skin's pretty bad right now, so not gonna do that. But yeah, this is the major difference that I've seen so far in the phone. The other difference is that the 11 Max Pro is about half an inch or so, maybe an inch longer than the iPhone X. So changing up was a pretty big difference. It feels a lot different in your hands. But the Face ID and everything is the same on the 11 Max Pro, and everything like that stayed the same. So in case you guys wanted to see what the phone looks like, here it is in reflection of my iPad. It's just plain gold. I just have a clear case. I don't have anything in it yet because I think I'm gonna get a Polaroid picture or something. I didn't really know what to put in it for the holidays because I don't really have like Christmas stickers like I do like summer and stuff, but yeah, here it is. It's just gold, and here's my front. Here's the front. Sorry, it may be getting trippy in there that you're seeing your reflection. But anyways, it's just a really nice screen. It covers almost the whole thing, except for a little bit of space up here and up here, which it does when I'm just on my home screen or if I'm on an app. It's just because I'm videoing, and this is where where the border is. But yeah, my hand is all the way out here, and you can see it in the front lens too. Like, that's, both sides are really wide angles, but the back is very wide. So yeah, that's the main difference in the camera. I'm also going to be getting a better case, probably around Christmas or so, hopefully, even though that's in like a week. You know, it's kind of late to ask now, but I'm probably going to be either getting a wildflower case or a Casely case, and I will let you guys know probably in a vlog or something whenever I do get this, because I just got this at the store that I got my phone, and it's not the best case, so gotta upgrade that. But yeah, I think that's all I have. So that's all I have for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and make sure to comment down below what you guys think about the phone, and comment down below some Christmas video ideas you guys would like to see. But yeah, other than that, thank you guys for watching, and make sure to subscribe and get excited for the holidays. Yeah, Kensy out.